What's up, guys? Welcome back to That One Life. Well, out here working in the garage tonight. I got a few little things I got going on. Got to do a little welding project so that I can actually get started on my actual project. But you know how it goes, right? I got the toolbox out, all that stuff going on. I'll show you exactly what it is we're doing here. So, let me grab my light. It's kind of dark. I went and picked this up today from a guy. There we go. You guys can see she's a little dirty. Some cylinder heads. I got to figure out which ones are good. Go through them, rebuild them, lap the valves, clean up the heads, get it all ready. This would be a little 40 horse VW motor, and the guy wants to put it in this little creation that you might be seeing later. I might be doing a bunch of sheet metal work on. It's kind of a neat little creation. And anyways, yeah, a little 40 horse motor. It sat outside for a while. The rings are bad, the jugs are no good. You can actually take a look down in there and see it sat outside for a minute. So it's, there we go. I can't get it right here. There you go. She's a little rusty, not in the greatest of shape, but we're gonna take care of all that. And I'm just kind of, playing around. I'll show you what I got going on here. So I picked up an engine stand, new for the show here. See if we can zoom out. You can see the engine stand, but I had a little bit of an issue. Engine stand wasn't really going to work out that well for the VW motor. So, instead of going and buying something, I decided, well, the guy loaned me this here. This is for the engine stand, but if you look, it's for a bench mount. And if you look around, the only bench I really have is either my toolbox, which I'm not going to drill holes in, or my welding table, which is made out of some really, really thick plate back there in the corner. So this is what I came up with, guys. I took a piece of angle iron, right? Drilled some holes in it, tightened it all down. This is going to go somewhere like this, Going to get bolted in and put a gusset in it. And then if you look right here, out here on the end, of course I need to bolt something there. So I was digging through my scrap pile and I found some of this channel. So I'm basically going to weld it here and then cut it off where I need to and then drill a hole in it. And then that should be enough to hold a little VW motor. It shouldn't be, crazy. So yeah, got the drill bits out and stuff. Got my little welder over there. I'm getting ready to pull it out and do a little bit of welding and stuff. You know how it goes. So anyways, yeah, fun out here in That One Life garage. So like I've always said, just build it, get it done. I'm not going to order something online and then wait. We're going to start ordering parts for this VW motor Monday. It is currently Friday. I'm hoping to be able to get everything in within a few days. I got to tear the block down. I'll bring you guys back for that and show you how you pull everything apart. And then kind of just go through it. I mean, I've done some VW motors and stuff, but it's been like 15 years. So, but, once you do it, it's like riding a bike. They're all nuts and bolts. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to keep moving on here and get this all done. I had to buy a few other little things that I needed along the way. So, but anyways, yeah, I just figured I'd share that with you guys tonight. I'm going to weld this stuff up. I'll bring you back and show you the little creation that I came up with. I think it'll be enough to hold the weight of a VW motor. They don't weigh much. You can pick one up by yourself and carry it if you're strong enough. So I'll probably put a couple little gussets or something in it, and that should be plenty. And what's cool is now I'll be able to use my engine stand for both VW motors as well as whatever motor I want to build, because I want to start putting some engines together and possibly maybe some performance motors. I don't know. I had a guy talk to me the other day about doing some work on a little Marrow, so I don't know. We'll see. I still got to get Casper going. Just it's not really in the budget, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, I'll bring you back when I get a little further along on my project here, and then I'll bring you back when I'm tearing down the motor and we'll set you up so you can see what's going on, and we got to get this thing all cleaned up and inspect it, and, you know, check the bearings, make sure, mic them, make sure everything is, you know, within tolerance. It's just a little 40 horse motor, so if it's in tolerance, we're just going to go ahead and put it back together. And he's got a couple other little projects. One of them's going to be kind of a big one. It's a lot of sheet metal work, tons of cutting and welding, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be neat when it's done. And I think he said he's got, I don't know, 1 or 2 more Volkswagen engines he might want to have put together. So could get interesting. Welcome back, guys. Got you set up here. Just kind of go through this a little bit. You see what's going on. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. Got this marked up where I want it. Gotta drill it now. Punch. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. Not for this, anyways. And I'll tell you what, guys, this is the best drill bit set I think I've ever owned in my life. These are Matco stepped drill bits, and I'll tell you what, these things are great. They eat right through frame rails like it's nothing. Ain't that the way it usually works? Battery died. Oh, brother. Oh. It's great what a new battery does, right? Alright, let's get a bolt in this. Take the clamp off. Grade 8 hardware. Kind of an overkill. Alright guys, I haven't used this welding machine in quite some time, so hopefully she's okay, and I'm really low on gas, so hopefully I don't run out of gas. Let's see. turn on the welder here. Yeah, I'm running low. I am just about out. All right, guys. I'm going to let this thing cool down for a bit, get me a drink, and bring you back when I got it all bolted up, huh? We'll test her out. All right, guys. That pretty much wraps this one up tonight. It's getting kind of late. My little mount system didn't work as good as I'd like. I mean, it's holding. It's fine. But anyways, let's go over here real quick. And I'll let you take a little gander. There you go. Sitting in the garage. Gonna start tearing it down. Get all the guts out of her. So I can mic all the bearings, see if we need bearings, see if we need, you know, I mean, everything felt pretty good. Even the end play felt pretty good on it. So I'm hoping I can just get away with opening it up, cleaning everything thoroughly, and putting it back together and making a good running motor out of it. So, but we'll just call this one the VW 40 horse, and we'll keep you tuned in here, and we'll see what what happens. So, like I said, anyways, thanks for coming along. Appreciate it. You know, you guys like and subscribe. I'm trying to get this little baby channel up and going so I can bring you better content. I got a lot more car stuff coming here pretty quick. It's just things have been kind of stagnant. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, but I've got stuff coming. So we'll bring you along on this little 40 horse here and walk you through some of the steps maybe. I don't know if you guys got any questions or anything like that about the motor. Just hit me up. You go have a good night, all right? Take care.